Bitcoin has done the first time in the entire history. What is that? What is the insight? What did the chart actually telling us? Today, I will give you the insight from the chart. Welcome to YM channel. My name is YM. Click like, subscribe, share with your friend if you want to learn more and earn more. This channel is about trading strategy and money mindset. So now we start. So now we look at Bitcoin monthly chart. Basically, from last year, September, continuously for 7 months candle here is green. Okay, 7 months. And this did not happen before. What happened before when we have 6 month candle? Basically, it happened here. You can see the first time when we have the 6 month candle up, the next month we will flash a red candle. Let me enlarge it here to show you. In the first beginning of the Bitcoin, okay, we flash a first six candle, and then we have a red candle. And then it dropped the next month, it dropped from the peak to the bottom, basically is 65%. And then the next six candle, basically, we have here also. After six green candle, we have a red candle here. Okay, so how much does it drop? Let's see. It dropped by 70% in 2013. And how about the next time? Even we have 5 green candle, 1 red. Okay, so today we only check six green candle, 6 green candle. So now the next, this is 5 and then 1 red. 5 is already very strong. This is, remember, this is monthly chart. And how about 2020? This one. We have 6 green candle and followed by 1 red. This one dropped by 27%. Okay, and now what is going on? It's so strong. It did not happen before 7 green candle. 7 green candle. We thought there is a pullback here, but it didn't. Okay, so it postponed. So what happened? Now it's flashing a red, but it's just beginning of the month. We're not yet closed the candle yet. So now we're going to, so what do you think? This is green or this is red? I'm not going to make a prediction, but by possibility, it's very high chance we flash a red candle. Do you agree? For Bitcoin, you need a break. It's normal for it to take a break and then they go for higher. It cannot go for 10 green candle or 12 green candle. It's not possible because this is a monthly chart, remember. Okay, another thing I want you to check is apart from this. So each time, this one is down by 30%, and the other two times is down by 70%, 65 and 70%. So let's see if we go down by 30%. Okay, let's say if we go down by 30%, what is the price it would go to from the peak down 30%? Roughly here. So around 52K, around 50.6K, 51.7K or 52K, let's say 52K. So, and then I want to check the golden ratio as well. So the golden ratio basically stopped at 38.2, this level, 38.2, right at this level. So it's very possible we come back here and go up again. Of course, this is just an analysis from the history. It's not 100% sure. There's no certainty for stock market or for crypto, okay? So we are just talking about what is the chart telling us and what is the possibility. And we go for when you want to be a long-term winner, you always need to go through the possibility, okay? You need to check what is really likely to happen from the chart. This is monthly chart. I want to show you another chart is daily chart. Okay, so remember 52, if it pull back, it will go back to 52. But we have the first support level, basically, is right at 23.6, which is the previous peak here, the body close here, and also the golden ratio. So this one would be our first support around 60K, around 60K. Okay, so now we go back to the daily chart. So what happened for the daily chart here? Let me show you here. So you can see this, the blue line is still going upward, but the red line is getting lower and lower. You see, we have a lower high right now. We don't have a lower low yet, okay? So another thing is this is the trend. We already dropped below the blue and we already dropped even below the red. So you need to be careful about the risk of the correction, okay? And then we check the other chart is YM cheapest. You can see the fund movement, the peak is getting lower and lower. You see, compared to here and here, it's getting lower and lower. Okay, so this is something you need to be aware. And how about YM big buy? This is my own indicator. You can subscribe by month. You can cancel anytime. So how about YM big buy? Basically, from this point around March, the YM big buy mean the big volume trade. The sell is more than buying. You can see very easily. Okay, for trading, you need to know the trend, you need to know the fund, and you need to know the buy sell point to do the analysis when to buy, when to sell. So this indicator can tell you, the YM big buy can tell you the fund movement for big volume trade, and then the YM cheapest to tell you the institution holding. Okay, and these two lines basically tell you, the blue line tell you the trend, okay? And then the red line also can tell you the trend for shorter term, and also both of them combined can become a buy sell point. Okay, one thing I want to show you also is YM Club Super Long. This is for super long term investor. What is interesting is right now we are right at the support on this purple line. Okay, so you can see here. Okay, we are right at the support. And if we only look at the red line, it's interesting because yesterday some people basically message me, give me the comment, hey, should they buy? Because it's up by 3.8%. But what happened is it come back down. You can see they go under this red line. It's not above the red line. I did not buy at this point. Why? Because still we are under the red line. Okay, and our YM cheapest is not strong. You can see it's not above the purple line, and even the YM big buy is not above 0. So we don't see a signal, the fund signal, that it is strong enough to go above. Not yet, at least not this moment. Okay, so I want you to be more alert about the correction. Okay, but again, Bitcoin right now is in the blue one. So it's better to hold the stock and add position when they pull back. Okay. So I have mentioned the two pullback points. Basically on this day, on 20th of March, basically it does pull back to our first target, which is around 60K. Would they go lower? It's possible because it's possible we are doing an ABC wave. Okay, so A, B, and then we are going to have a C wave. Okay, so let's see how it goes. And this is the update today. If you like this indicator, you can subscribe in the link in the description. And also click like, subscribe, and share with your friend. And I see you in the next video. Bye.